Phrasebanks for M&A Executive Headlines Template Pack. In M&A, leaders don't have time to decode dense slides. Clear, executive headlines turn complex deals into simple storylines people can repeat. Use them to quickly explain the why, the value, and the plan. Strong headlines align leaders, teams, and investors fast, so decisions move forward instead of getting stuck in debate. Think top-down. Headlines first, details later. Lead with the conclusion, then support it. When your narrative is crisp, diligence reads tighter, Q&A gets easier, and your board leaves with confidence, not questions. Let's build headlines that do the heavy lifting for you. You'll get a set of headline templates that cover the full M&A story: strategy, value, risk, and next steps. Each slide starts with a bold, plain English claim, followed by the proof. We include plug-and-play verbs and metrics. Words like accelerates, unlocks, defends, plus numbers for synergies, runway, churn, margin, so you can draft fast without sounding vague. You also get consistent slide framing for exec decks: a one-line headline, 3 supporting bullets, and a simple visual. This consistency reduces cognitive load and makes your message stick across leadership, diligence teams, and investors. Use these strategy openers to clarify intent. Start with, "We are acquiring to," and finish with a purpose like grow, scale, or defend a position. Example: we are acquiring to defend our enterprise segment and scale AI features. Next, outcome framing. This deal positions us to, plus a market result, like lead mid-market, enter EMEA, or win RFPs. Example: this deal positions us to lead in regulated fintech. Finally, execution clarity. We will integrate by, followed by timeline and scope. Example: we will integrate by Q2, product, sales ops, and support. Be concrete and time-bound. Lead with numbers. Creates $30, $45 million synergies within 12 months, tells your board what to expect and when. Show speed. Accelerates roadmap from beta to GA by Q3, sets a visible milestone and benefits customers. Make the cross-sell real. Unlocks cross-sell to 800 enterprise accounts or to healthcare and public sector segments. Pair each headline with 2 proofs: where the dollars come from, e.g., data center consolidation, upsell attach rate, and how you'll track them, pipeline, margin, run rate. Precision beats adjectives every time. Own the risks and show your control. Start with key risks, XYZ, mitigated by, and list concrete actions. Example: key risks: churn, integration slippage, key talent loss, mitigated by retention bonuses, and phased cutover. Reassure customers with no disruption to customers, SLAs maintained, and add how, mirrored support queues, freeze on billing changes, and dedicated incident comms. For regulators, be explicit. Regulatory path, filings, timeline, remedies, name the agencies, expected review windows, and any pre-agreed concessions so approvals feel predictable. Deals succeed when people know who decides what and when. Use leadership model, who, when decisions to clarify org roles, decision rights, and day one reporting lines. Address culture directly. Culture fit, shared values plus bridging plans. State the overlaps, then name the gaps and how you'll bridge them with rituals, tools, and manager training. Protect momentum with retention, critical roles, incentives, 90-day plan. Call out must keep talent, tailored incentives, and a 30/60/90ths onboarding path so teams see stability, not chaos. Clear people headlines reduce rumor and boost execution. Headlines land when backed by evidence. Use backed by data, comps, diligence, pilots to signal rigor. Reference market comps, win-loss, customer interviews, technical audits, or pilot results. Show operating discipline with operating cadence, weekly OKRs, day January 30th 90. Name the owners and the drumbeat so progress is visible. Finally, commit to transparency. KPIs will report revenue, churn, synergy run rate. Add a few more, if relevant, NPS, gross margin, pipeline velocity, and specify the reporting frequency. Credibility is a system. Claim, proof, cadence, and metrics. Steal these patterns and customize. 1. We are acquiring. Target to strategic goal. Keep it concrete. Expand into region, defend, segment, or accelerate. Capability. 2. This creates dollar in cost/revenue synergies by date. State the sources and timing. 3. Top risks are risk. We will, mitigation, name owners and triggers. 4. Next 90 days. 3 actions, owners, dates. Make accountability obvious. Write the headline, then check. Is it measurable, time-bound, actionable? If yes, you've got an executive-ready slide.